campfires in here as well.
It
Nice
is.
to dig out. Realistic. Not going on top of there. Right to the bizzo.
Yeah, rain's just kicked in and all.
Yeah. Just brought my Bergen in now, so at least we've got a.
Nice one, mate.
We just out in autumn, I thought, wanker.
That birch bark done good though, didn't it?
That's gone up well, yeah. And this little pile you've brought. And it's got loads of bits.
Right, I'm going to stop filming now because there must be 18 trillion videos of people starting fires.
Yeah.
But we're in.
We're
Happy
in.
birthday.
Yeah. You just a photo of that, is it?
No, I'm going with video there. You've got your, so what have you got in? Red peppers, carrots, green beans.
Yeah. Bit of a Chinese curry, some fennel seeds, and pillar rice.
Yeah, happy days. Baked spuds outside.
All works.
Obviously the mulled wine.
Mulled wine. Yeah.
Because without saying.
Look at that. Still steaming. Lovely. How's that bad boy going?
We'll be getting there. Oh yeah, we've got a bit of a sizzle on.
Yeah. Right, we'll rotate the
Happy days.
heat.
And if you can hear water running in the background, yeah, we have a 20 litre drum.
It's 10 litre.
And what we do is we've got a funnel on it, we filter, and we leave this out here. When we came up today there were about 10 litres in it, so it just gives us a water source that we can use to boil and things like that. But tar is catching it, and here we go, here. When it falls off it goes straight into it. Straight into the funnel, filters through. We'll try and harvest a bit of water for tomorrow. When they're back around to curries. Happy birthday.
If you want any Timotei shampoo, you can have a shower on the right morning.
Definitely work, don't they?
Boiling like a bastard. Michelle Roux said that once.
Did he?
He sacked him.
So what we're doing, chicken, what is it, chicken curry, Chinese chicken curry.
Chinese chicken curry, extra veg with pillar rice.
Yeah.
Because I like being weird.
No peanuts.
I've got
Yet.
a bag. I've got a bag just in case.
And you've done baked potatoes outside just for... Cheers, mate.
In case of emergencies.
Yep. Do you need any water? Is it alright? It's alright, isn't
No,
it?
it's right, yeah. I added a bit of liquid to it, so...
Oh, and you put, what you like, fennel seeds you put in, haven't you?
Fennel seeds, yeah. Stuck a couple of handfuls of them in. Happy days. So I reckon we'll be full and pissed soon.
And it's lashing it down, isn't it?
Yeah.
You've got a good boil on.
Oh, fucking hell, that's going like a good.
That's perfect, isn't it?
Right, let's swap locations.
Leave it, it'll be alright. Mine will catch up in a minute.
Right.
Yeah, it'll catch up in a minute. Get yours cooked.
Nearly done. Say when.
So, just to give you a quick heads up, Buzz has spilt his mulled wine on the seat, and nothing's going to waste.
Is it all over my nose?
There's bits of grass everywhere and everything. To be fair, mate, it is really tasty. But fair play to you.
I've got a bit left. I've still some 10% to go up. It's everywhere.
Oh, mate. Alright, happy days. Right, I need to do some work on that. We've got loads of smoke. Oh, actually, just hold on. I've got these bellows, so let's have a go at him. Just bear with me. Yeah.
Got the nanny telly.